Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Normal versus Advanced English for Kids. I am tired. I am exhausted. It's very hot. It's scorching. I am very happy. I am overjoyed. She is very sad. She is devastated. I am hungry. I am starving. I am busy. I am swamped. He is lazy. He is sluggish. It's very cold. It's freezing. The movie was good. The movie was fantastic. I am scared. I am terrified. The test was easy. The test was effortless. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.